is the plan if they continue?
I am telling the soldier, Mr. President Tinubu, Obasanjo used soldier when he was military head of state. Buhari used soldier when he was military head of state. Abacha used soldier when he was military head of state. Some Obasanjo used soldier when he was military head of state. Buhari used soldier when he was military head of state. Where are they today? The history is there for you. You, the Democrat, Mr. President, you are the president of the country. Whether we like it or not, you are the president. What shall you be remembered for? You will be remembered that you use soldier to stop people from protesting, and you are a product of protest. I protested with you, Mr. President. We protested together there in Ojota, in Lagos, occupying Nigeria. Have you forgotten, Mr. President? As a student, you are in Nadeko. You are one of the Nadeko heads we are looking at. Now you have entered there. You want to destroy the ladder upon which you used to climb. How can you see? Have you seen a country without protest? Mr. President, protest is strengthening your government. Protest is letting you know where all those jobless riffraffs are not exposing to you. When you hear us, when people protest, they are telling you where you are not getting it right, so as to get it right. Please allow people to protest. Don't use soldier. You can't use soldier to kill people that you are governed. It's wrong. It's wrong. That's what we are complaining.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
But let me also say something. The intimidation of lawyers, of Nnamdi Kanu lawyers, has continued. As I speak to you today, being the 20th of October 2025, one of our lead counsel, Aloy Ejimakor, is under arrest currently. Why? Because he was at the Fountain Square for this protest. The younger brother of Nnamdi Kanu is also under arrest. That is talking about Prince Emmanuel Kanu. He's under arrest at the FCT command. They are looking for the lawyers of Nnamdi Kanu. We are almost running away. We are hiding because of the intimidation, using the military, using the police to intimidate and harass us. Now, as I speak to you, all the courts in FCT are closed down today. The Federal High Court is closed down because they do not want anybody to go to court to challenge what they are doing. So I am asking Nigerians to come out and join this protest. I'm asking the soldiers, join this protest, because where you are today you think you are safe. Tomorrow you may not be as safe as you think. I'm urging the police to join the protest. I'm urging every right-thinking member of Nigerian society to join this protest.
I refuse it. I will agitate against it. I will refuse to live in a country where I will be discriminated against because I am an Igbo man. That is what we are saying. You and I, we are in this country. When Burantai said they under the guise of non-kinetic approach, Burantai said they were rehabilitating Boko Haram members. They called them repentant Boko Haram members. And what you see, that they call them repentant Boko Haram members, and they recruit them and put them into the Nigerian army, put them into the DSS, and all that and all that. So what we are saying is that this country, there should be justice for all Nigerians. There should be equal justice. You can see, we are here addressing the press, freedom of expression, and the police, what they are doing, the way they are intimidating us as citizens of this country. We are saying that Nigerians have had the freedom to express themselves, to freely express themselves. We have the freedom to condemn criminality. We have the freedom to condemn illegality. We will not be intimidated in this country. We are saying that we need good governance. We need a country where all citizens must be treated equally.
My fellow Nigerians, I want to tell you that we come out here for a peaceful protest. We did not come out with a weapon or any knife or anything. Even a bottle of pure water was not with us. We come out to protest over what is happening in Nigeria, not for Nnamdi Kanu alone. Husband, and you interview and you are locking a man that just said a word. Is that what Nigeria meant to be? We're supposed to be the Jajan of Africa, not of Africa. Because of what is happening in Nigeria now, Nigeria has turned to become a place that nobody wants to come and tourism. Nobody wants to come and do business. Because of what? Selfish leaders, leaders with a lot of influence, leaders that want to do what they want to do just for their selfish interest. Look at, we just come down for a very free protest. Nobody was carrying anything, nothing like blank. Just coming out in a group, before you know, police everywhere, shooting, begin to give up each other. This is how we are going to live to get the freedom of Nigeria. This is how we are going to do to become the better Nigeria that we are praying for. Every day we are praying in our dream. Pastors are preaching. Members must are preaching. Just for us to be a better Nigeria. How can we be a better Nigeria without any better leaders? And this is what we are passing through. This is what has been paining us. Come to the street of Utako today. See what is happening in Utako. This is not what we're supposed to be. This is not what's supposed to happen. Protest is free. We have the right to say our mind. We have the right to say what we want in Nigeria. The freedom of language is free. Why Nigeria? Why are we punishing our own? Why are we punishing our own brothers? This is not what we want in Nigeria. Please, please, Baba Turumbu, we know say we respect you. Release Nnamdi Kanu. Make Nigeria be free. We are one Nigeria. Nobody can depart from Nigeria. Nigeria is one. But what we say, release Nnamdi Kanu. The same freedom we give to that Boko Haram man is the same freedom we give to Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu have never hold gun before. He has never come out with guns, say he's a terrorist. Right. He only come out with the freedom of war, say he want to go. So why are we killing ourselves?
What's your name?
Your name?
My name is Enefe Jimmy.
Thank you.
My name is Mr. Chibikembali. My name is Mr. Chibikembali. I think he's not in a crime. As you can see right now, I know when I carry the placard of Tinubu in Tojosho Market. I carry placard of Tinubu under the Nadekos in Tojosho Market. The rally was organized by Ganifa Yomi, Bekazai Sonkuti, and also Wale Soyonka and Frederick Fashion. The rally, Tinubu did not attend the rally. Before he came, arrest was made under Ganifa Yomi. Gani was holding a toothpick. He said even if Nigeria he will die for this country to be good, for military to submit power to the democracy. Say he will do it. He went to prison for it. Beko went to it. And the Tinubu did not have. Before he came, arrest was done. We all run away. I carry the placard to support the Nadeko for freedom of movement. So why are we saying this? Nigeria, Nnamdi Kanu has never agitated anything that is wrong. Is it because he named Biafra? What go straight to the point? What he's saying? He's saying that the equity and justice should let Nigeria has what is called freedom of living and also freedom of going. Why my children will be going to a primary school that I can 10,000, 5,000, while your children is in abroad? Let there be equity and justice. Is it not what the demand of the young man? Please release him. Release him. He did nothing. The Igbo's leader has been kept silent. Please release this man for the sake of Nigerians, north, west, south, and east. Release him. We are not. My name is Mr. Chibikemba. We are not asking you for anything better. Please release him, Nnamdi Kanu. We are not against the government.